Time now to take a look at what's trending.
Michelle Lee is here with what's making news this Valentine's Day weekend.
Yeah,
the big
love is in
story.
the air this weekend. You know, some people, though, actually call it Single Awareness Day or SAD.
They do? Oh, that is just...
Wah, wah.
That is such a downer.
I know, but not Dairy Queen, because it is trending today because it released a singles blizzard treat just in time for February 14th. So Dairy Queen says celebrate your singleness because there are more single folks out there than married people. I don't know, is that a real fact? I have no idea.
I think that's true.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, Dairy Queen
Well, it
says it
makes
is. Are we counting like toddlers too, or everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean adults.
Most kids, yeah. So if you take your... my wife wouldn't mind if I got her a blizzard. If I took my ring off, what do you have to do to prove it? I could share a blizzard with her by faking that I'm single.
Well, anyway, it's got salted caramel truffles, peanut butter cups, and peanut butter toppings.
All
Okay,
right,
so
now
this
Marco
next
Rubio.
story.
Yeah.
Marco Rubio, he likes the sweets, but they don't like him back. Today, Rubio was trending because he broke a molar on a Twix bar.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so in the presidential hopeful's defense, the candy bar was frozen. But if you want to know if the week can get worse for Rubio, the answer is yes.
Should we show it again? This is Eli. I just gotta. That's everyone. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, he's like, I mean, that's stare into the camera.
So Eli's Manning face is trending and was on full display.
Oh, dude, he's now got as many as I do.
Oh, gosh. That was on, Super Bowl 50, of course, which aired right here on WISC. So that was when his brother Peyton won the Super Bowl. The broadcast caught him staring blankly in the family's box seats as everybody else celebrated. And Peyton was just on Jimmy Fallon and said this.
Eli and I have always supported each other. I think Eli was analyzing the game and kind of into the game like I would be as if he was playing it. And so he was just as happy. But it's funny, when I saw that clip, Jimmy, I've seen that look before. I recognized it.
So he goes on to joke how Eli made that same face when Peyton told him he was the #1 draft pick like 18 years ago, and other big moments in his life. So they kept going back and forth like, guess what? I've got front row tickets to Adele, and then they would cut to Eli's blank stare.
Well,
It's funny.
And the joke was that Eli had 2 Super Bowl rings, and now Peyton also had 2. So Eli wasn't the family leader anymore. So he was upset about it, but. I believe Peyton's story there.
You don't think there's a little bit of sibling rivalry there?
No. They're all making so much money. They got 4 Super Bowl rings now. I don't buy
And you
it. You
said
think he's
that
mad?
you couldn't see that he was high-fiving his mom.
Yeah, if you look closely, you see he's got that deadpan look on his face, but he high-fives the mom at the same time. It's just like, it's like...
He'll never live it down.
They're all counting their coins, I'll tell you that. And their rings now. They got 4 of them.
That was a great video, though. I love that.
It was. Cool. Thanks, Michelle.